The thing which I like the most about my country is the way we develop understanding about things in life just with the help of nature. We know that people who were called highly wise, they would have this very practice. They would use nature to understand their lives, and they interestingly managed to solve many problems. Most of them were complicated, and I think this is one of the biggest reasons which makes India little unique among different countries. And I think people from different world approached India to learn this tactic, to understand life and the problems, and to solve it just with the help of nature or by studying the nature. For example, the flowing of river in India is often seen as progression of life, which means when we see the flow of river, it gives us this very idea that life must also be moving forward. And when it moves forward, it is always on the path of progression. Anything that causes resistance to this flow must be eradicated. And I think this could be understood even from our constitution. So, for example, when the constitution came into force, there were many rules and regulations, but most of them have been completely wiped off from the constitution because these are no longer in use because the demands of the society are continuously changing, and the rules which causes resistance to this progression or coming against this demand, I think, completely disrupts this very progression, and therefore they sidelined everything. And same thing happens with religion. Is one of those medium which can really affect positively the life of people. In fact, religion is often called the first guiding tool of morality. But what if the same religion is misused? In fact, if you go by the truest definition of religion, for example, Mahatma Gandhi, Radhakrishnan, and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar all have the same say. They say that religion is for your spiritual gain. So religion is always for the spiritual gain, but not anything else. But what if people use this religion and causes resistance in the name of their religious? Then I think it starts creating problems. And then the decline of a civilization or society begins. And that's what all happened with many civilizations. If you go and read their history, you will find that the nation or the society which tried to preserve those values which were no longer in use were the only countries faced a quick downfall. So if you are aware of this fact, I think you should start taking action against it.